Alright guys, check this out. We're looking at the Ethereum versus the Bitcoin. We just had a major breakdown here. Take a look at what happened over the weekend, right? That was a strong, very prominent support level. And we already saw price reacting to that level, basically completely changing direction on the previous engagement here on the downside. We actually had the second example probably about a week ago, where price landed exactly on that spot, and you can see it began to turn around, but not for long, right? Price came back and basically broke that level, which suggests that the Bitcoin is still gonna outperform the Ethereum, right? So it's not a good time to think about establishing holdings on the Ethereum. I mean, in general, it's not a good time since we're in a bearish market. But if you have to hold one coin over the other, it definitely should be the Bitcoin, especially after what we had here over the weekend, right? That's a definite break, and we also had a weekly close below that level. Let's take a look where this level is coming from. So here is the price tag, 0.054. 0.054 just got broken. And I just conducted this projection analysis, Fibonacci projection analysis, because I want to know where's the potential here on the downside, right? And I think obviously we have the previous low, right? We have the previous low, which is a good, that's a good milestone to aim for. But I think if we want to be more accurate on the technical, on the technicalities here, we probably want to have the previous opposite move being analyzed by the Fibonacci projection tool. So I took the previous opposite move from the very bottom to the very top, right? And here you can find two very interesting levels that I want to point out. The first one would have to be the 1.618 right there. I'm already marking that level, 0.033. That's the price tag. But I actually believe price has the potential to go all the way and hit that particular level, the 2.236, which happens to be below the previous low. So I think price is more likely to actually drill, take the 161.8, take also the previous low, hit the 2.236, and only then we might have a genuine upside reversal and a whole new phase where the Ethereum is going to outperform the Bitcoin. We haven't seen that for a long time now, ever since price touched base really nicely here, by the way, on the mid-high key level of 0.12. It reacted strongly on the downside. We actually had a nice head and shoulders pattern that we definitely followed, and we knew that it's the time for the Bitcoin to take charge, and it did, and it still does. So we'll see how deep this one can go, but I do believe that at some point things will reverse and the Ethereum will go will get back to basically to outshine the Bitcoin. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. In the meantime, I will say goodbye, and we'll see you tomorrow.